Hello and welcome to castacademy.com. I am Srini, your instructor for this course on complete understanding on SAP Cloud Platform. I am super excited to teach you this course on SAP Cloud Platform and go on a journey together to learn and understand the concepts with tons of example and hands-on. Let me first give you a background on what we'll learn in this course. In this course, you're going to learn everything about the new SAP Cloud Platform that has been announced in Feb 2017. This course is divided into 4 major sections. First section, I'll introduce you to new terms like digital transformation, Internet of Things, big data, real-time analytics, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and unstructured data. After this section, you should be able to understand what is the purpose and usage of these technologies. This is very important section because once you understand these terms, then it is very easy to see what kind of innovations are happening in IT world today. In second section, you will learn about cloud computing. 5 different types of characteristic of cloud computing, 3 types of cloud service options, 4 types of cloud deployment options, and also how business expectations are changing with IT and what IT is doing about it. If you understand this section about business expectations and IT innovations, then you can actually see the bigger picture about how SAP is adding new feature to its cloud offerings. And in this section, we're going to understand all those things in very greater detail. Third section, you will learn everything about the SAP Cloud Platform offerings, SAP's service model deployments, definitions, capabilities, and history of SAP Cloud Platform and the overall platform details. This section, we will really go deep down inside the SAP Cloud offerings of each product and what is the purpose of it. After this section, you will understand complete picture of SAP Cloud Platform and what are its offerings. We will also look into what is Cloud Foundry and what is SAP Neo, why SAP is using Cloud Foundry for its services. So we're going to do comparison between Cloud Foundry and SAP Neo in this section. Section 4 is hands-on section. Here we will create a trial account on SAP Cloud Platform and then we'll start accessing it. This is an hands-on section where you'll learn how to configure Eclipse on your local machine, how to download SAP SDK, use it to write Java application, HTML5 application, and deploy it on the trial account that you got it from SAP Cloud. This training is combination of theory and hands-on for you to completely understand from the terminology of SAP Cloud Platform and then deploy your own applications in SAP Cloud Platform. If you're not familiar with this new terms or technologies, then no need to worry. This course will help you to learn those terms before going into the bigger picture of SAP Cloud. This course will follow step-by-step approach to first help you understand the complex terminology and concept around digital transformation, cloud computing, then later match those concepts of SAP Cloud and deploy your own custom application on it. I know there is a lot to learn and understand, but my one suggestion for you is to try to deploy your own custom program in SAP Cloud Platform to really understand with your own hands-on experience. Well, if you follow along, then this course will teach you everything that is required for you to do that. I'll attach all the source code for your reference which is been shown in this course. Well, are you excited to learn about SAP Cloud Platform? Then let's jump right in the course and start with the basic theory.